The Sims version, Ido with the yellow hair and Kudame with the blue hair. Now make them kiss. Or, well, blow kisses. Well, that's cool, too. There we go.
That totally happened.
Yeah. Oh, he's supposed to tickle him again.
Well, this one's emo. See, his face was sadness.
Emo Ido.
Look, Bangs. Bangs, you can't see it on him, though. That was all sad and stuff. His house looks like it's gonna eat me.
Aww.
Oh!
Oh, Ido.
He made Kudame blush!
Oh, it went out of focus.
He gave him a flower.
Ah, random Black Knight. Ooh.